Dear students, today we will do narration, or we can say reported speech. Reported speech. If exclamatory sentences are given, then how to do very in-depth speech, or we can say how to write reported speech of those given direct speech. Clear? For that sake, you have been already told steps of narration, like first from the left we have to change reporting verb, then to delete commas and to add conjunction, and then to change pronoun, to change tense, or to change nearness word into distant words, like that. We have to do each and everything systematically from left to right. Clear? Now, see the examples. Here in this book, so instructions are given. Exclamatory sentences are changed into in the indirect speech by converting them into statement assertive sentences. It means we have to make it assertive or just declarative statement instead of any sorts of, we can say, एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस। क्लियर? इसका मतलब किसी प्रकार का जो विस्मयादिबोधक जो वाक्य होता है, विस्मय प्रकट करता है या उदासी प्रकट करता है, उसमें नहीं होगा। डायरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट होगी, इट विल बी assertive होगा। And next, exclamations and wishes in the indirect speech are introduced by some verb expressing exclamation or wish or exclaimed, declared, clear, wished, etc. according to the sense. Now, here it is written कि जो भी एक्सक्लेमेशन है अर्थात विस्मय है, हैरानी है, या फिर किसी प्रकार का दुख है, नहीं शॉर्ट्स ऑफ सॉरो, सैडनेस इज देयर, देन वी हैव टू यूज्ड विद एक्सक्लेम्ड विद सॉरो। इफ सॉरो इज गिवन, इफ joy is given, exclaimed with joy or happiness. Clear? Or if any praise is given, then we have to use applauded. Clear? Like that, or praised with, or wished, any sorts of wish is given, then. So here two statements are given. For example, she said, oh dear, I have missed my flight. Here, which sorts of sense is given? It is a sense of grief or sorrow, we can say. Clear? Then we have to write she exclaimed, exclaimed with sorrow. Now we have to put that as a conjunction. That is first step to change reporting verb. Clear? Then second step to change, to add conjunction, and then I is given. I is according to. Then next step is change of pronoun. Clear? According to C, then C. Clear? Now next, change of tense. She had missed. Now change of pronoun. Her flight. Clear? She said, oh dear, I have missed my flight. अरे हो, मैंने अपनी फ्लाइट की चूक की है, या मैंने अपनी फ्लाइट को छोड़ दिया है। तो a source of grief is there, sorrow is there, then she exclaimed with sorrow. उसने उदासी प्रकट करते हुए कहा that she had missed her flight. उसने अपनी जो फ्लाइट है वो छोड़ चुकी थी वो। Next, the little girl. The little girl. How exclaimed with wonder. Here, wonder is there. What a beautiful dress. Clear? Sometimes no need of this much will work. Here, while expressing what a beautiful flower, what a beautiful dress, no need of these sorts of, but here in this book that is given, then okay. According to this very example, we have to solve it. The little girl exclaimed with wonder. Exclaimed with wonder. हैरानी से बोली, वो क्या बोली? What? It is for thing, na? That. Conjunction. First step to change reporting verb. Second to add conjunction, and then subject. It. Now, it means it. Here, then was. It was a beautiful dress. Clear to you? You have to do like that, and we have to adapt. We have to adopt those only the steps of narration. Once again, let me recapitulate steps of narration and how these are used. First, to change reporting verb. Second, to add conjunction. Change reporting verb. To add conjunction. Next, third, to change pronoun. Next, to change tense. If nearness word is then into distance, and like we have to take many steps. How these steps have been taken in these very example? First, here she said, then changing reporting verb, she exclaimed with sorrow, and then to add conjunction that. Here, and then to change pronoun I is changed into according to the subject C. Here, how to change pronoun? That is first person according to subject, second person according to object, third person no change. Here, this part is reporting verb and this is reported speech. I is given in reported speech. Here, this is first person according to subject. Here will be C. Clear to you? And then change of tense, have plus third form into had plus third form, and then my into her because of being first person according to subject. These steps have been taken, and if you take those very steps step by step from left to right, there will be no mistake at all. Clear to you? Now you have been taught how many topics: simple, interrogative, imperative, as well as exclamatory sentences. Then assignment will be sent to you very shortly, and you have to solve those assigned statements or those exercises at your own. Clear? Thank you.